welcome to Krav Maga Mortal Combat. So today we are going to teach, basically before I start, I just wanted to clarify that we are not trying to make any boxing champion or anybody as a karate champion and all. We just want to teach people the basics of self-defense. Meaning they will be facing people who do not know how to fight. So in such situations, how do you actually save yourself without hurting them much badly and without hurting yourself also? So today we are going to do a simple technique. Actually, you will be knowing that in most martial arts, the thing they will be teaching you is how to throw a punch. Problem is that, meaning I was a boxing instructor for almost 2 years before I joined Krav Maga. Problem is that without boxing gloves, we are going to hurt our hand because our knuckles is actually softer than the skull. If I hit him in the skull, I am going to actually damage my hand. Most people do not know that. That's why boxers actually wear gloves to protect their hands. So without gloves in the street, if your fist is not actually trained, you are going to damage your hand. So what is the alternative to that? Meaning in 96, 97 we had a MMA match, Pancreation, where actually they allowed bare knuckle fighting but without punches, and it was actually using your palm heel. So today what I am going to teach you is how to do a palm thrust. The mechanics is same as boxing, how to throw a straight punch or a cross, but actually instead of using your fist, you are using your palm heel. So basically, what we are doing is two targets. We have actually two targets. One of the target is the chin, but since he is shorter than me, I am not able to get into his chin. The other best target is the tip of his nose. So suppose an aggressor comes at me, push forward. He comes at me pushing forward. I'll basically try to stop him. Okay, I don't want to fight. So that is actually the basics of every self-defense. You keep your hand up to show that you are not ready to fight. You just want to get out of the situation. So still after that, if he comes pushing at me, what I do is like, I can't punch him because I'm going to damage my hand. If I punch him in his teeth may cut and my skin may get infection. If I punch him in his head, I'm going to break my hand. And since somebody who does not know how to throw a punch is most likely to damage his hand, I'm going to use the palm heel. So where actually in the palm should you do this? Actually the palm heel is already a protected area. It has a muscle mass. So for women, men, even children above the age of 15, your hand is actually well protected in the base of the palm. So what we are doing is we are going to thrust this one either into his chin or into the nose. If he is very close by, we are actually going for his chin. If he is a bit far off, I am going directly for his nose. So how do you do that? First of all, you don't do the palm thrust straight into his nose. Since the hands will always be below the shoulder, the angle will be slightly going upwards. So when you push somebody directly upward his nose, the nasal bone will actually hurt very badly. It may bleed, it may break. For at least 5 minutes, he won't be able to even properly see because his eyes will be full of tear gas. For example, you come pushing forward, push forward, push forward. I'm not able to stop him because why? I'm pushing him in his chest, push. But suppose I keep my hand on his nose, now you push. He is not going to push because it's very painful. So that is what a palm heel thrust is. You're going to thrust the palm directly into his chin or into his nose. If he is very close by, I'm actually going to do this palm thrust on his chin. If he is a bit far off, it will be directly under his nose. And this technique is actually useful for people who are shorter than their opponent. This is actually what a palm thrust looks like. We are going to push our palm directly into his chin or nose. So we will do it once more again. Meaning I will be the aggressor and he will be the defender. We will show you once more in real time. So this is actually what a palm thrust is. First thing, you are going to hit the base of your palm on his chin if he is very close by, or if he is a bit far off, you are going to target directly under his nose. So, thank you for watching. If you like, kindly do subscribe and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.